The crew lowered the sail, started to bail water from the ship, and prepared most of the cargo for jet. Something, however, an idea came to the king's mind. He remembered a story his grandfather had told him about how one of his ancestors became the Sea King, and that his crow was the only thing that truly belonged to his ancestors. He removed his crown immediately and threw into the sea. All at once the storm broke as suddenly as it had started. The skies began to clear, and the crew shouted for joy as they set sail more the island of Temastik. The king stepped onto the island, a creature appeared out of nowhere, and the king and his men were struck by its manifesting. It was large and moved with grace, had a black head covered in a furry mane, a witch's neck, and a red body. When the king drew his bow and arrow, the beast started back